I have this friend. Her name's Nikita S. Reddy. You can find her profile on Instagram. And at the start of the lockdown, she had around 2K followers, on Instagram. And now, after the lockdown has ended and in 2021, she has close to, I think, um, 40K followers. So that is the power of a very social media. If you use it in a very intelligent way, you can just build your follower list such that you can now she's approached by brands to promote different products. So I find that so fascinating. Yeah, so this video I had to make just for her because I'll be doing a live with her on Wednesday, and it'll be an experience. I've never done such a thing in my life before, a live Instagram live. But really, Nikita, it's like she was with me at this digital marketing agency that I was at. In fact, she she was there part of the interview process, literally. So in that sense, though she's younger, she's almost like my senior, and the fact that she has 40K followers on Instagram automatically makes her my senior. But really, yeah. So the power of social media, if you know how to use it well, the world is yours to conquer. So thank you, Nikita. It is just so inspiring. No, I have another doctor friend named Nitika. That's why I got mixed up. But it's just so brilliant, and you just need to see her profile to know just how it is possible to from 2K followers to become 40K followers. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.